In this video, we'll explore the slider theme, one of the hot themes on JSN ImageShow. On the admin site, go to JSN ImageShow Showcase via the component menu item. On the Showcase Manager page, you can create a new showcase or edit the older showcase. Make sure all the settings on the General tab are saved. Go to the Theme tab to install a new theme. Click on the slider theme to download and install. All the theme settings will be shown. Let's start with Image Panel, which allows you to set images transition effect. Transition effect defines the image transition type. It includes many options. Transparent background. Select yes if you want the background of the gallery to be transparent. Next is transition speed. It allows you to set transition speed for each gallery. Caption panel presentation to define whether to show or hide caption panel. In the thumbnail panel presentation defines whether to show or hide the thumbnail panel. And next is the thumbnail panel position, which allows you to define where to put the thumbnail planning, including right, center, or left. Thumbnail presentation mode defines whether to display thumbnails as dots or numbers. Active state color defines the color of active elements in the thumbnail panel. And click action to select the action that will happen when the viewer clicks on the focus image. Now is Toolbar panel to set the presentation of the gallery, including next arrow, previous arrow, pause, and play. Navigation arrows presentation and slideshow player presentation. Finally is the slideshow panel. Including slide timing allows you to define the duration of a single image's presentation. Autoplay defines whether or not the slideshow starts automatically right after the gallery has loaded. Pause on mouse over defines whether the slideshow pauses when the user moves the mouse over the image panel. You can also choose each panel in the live preview to show all of the settings. Don't forget to click the Save button after finishing. The slider theme has now been introduced. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with JSN ImageShow.